All right, what's up guys? Today we are building the Throne Rhino AT7. So we got a nice little box here full of charger. What else? Just a charger. Next is this chunky battery. Let's open her up. Apparently some keys. Seems like a reasonable place to put some keys. There we go. 2, 3, here we go. So here's our Rhino. Looks pretty sweet. Got some big knobby tires, good for whatever you want. Looks like some dirt and street tread. Got a nice little pack here. Kind of makes a little squishy noise, kind of fun. And a whole bunch of packaging we're just gonna cut off. So the Rhino's gonna come with a 20-inch wheel, which is 20 by 4, so nice and fat, nice and wide. Kind of your BMX size tire, besides the width, and BMX stem too. Ooh, look at this headlight. Wow, this thing is sophisticated. Cool heatsink, love it. I really like how all these bikes come with BMX stems on them. It's kind of sweet, really reminiscent for me. Very beautiful. I think it is a cool architecture of the bike. Stems on, we are just gonna click the, I'm gonna say this is the throttle cable. Yep, we're gonna click the throttle cable in. Make sure the arrows match up. Boom. And we're done. Just gonna route our cables a little nicer so that way they're not grabbing or pinching on anything. Yeah, I think that's kind of good. Route these guys in behind here. Keep it all tucked up. And then tighten up this little light.
Strike Rhino has a peak power of 1200 watts, battery of 60 volts, 20 amp hours, a top speed of 50 kilometers an hour, and wheels that are 20-inch by 4-inch with a rear hub motor, and it comes in colorways like concrete, black, and red.
All right, front wheel scoochie. Let's move on to this other thing. Yo, is it battery and the pedals and that's it? This thing's so easy to build. Your bike's built, baby. Ugh. Take this to your battery. Chuck her in. Turn her on. Beep, boop, boop. Hey, it works. We're up. Now for the real test.